I would highly thank to those who always support my videos, watching, liking, sharing, subscribing, and giving helpful and kind comments. This channel will tell all of you the story of a pitiful homeless puppy. She is LoLo, my adopted dog. In 2023, I found a homeless puppy finding food along the street. She looked skinny and weak. No hesitating, I decided to rescue and adopt her. After a month living with my family, she became much better. In the beginning of the year 2024 in January, she had a pregnant. And she has just given birth of 5 children. Her life is full of joys now. As you see that LoLo really loves her kids. She always breastfeeds her puppies comfortably. Even though she gets super tired, she takes care of them very well. This is called mother's love. Because of hungriness, all the 5 children drink her mother's breast milk very hard. It is super delicious. It is the best food for them all as young babies. They grow up well every day. They are 10 days old now. Next video, I will tell you all my beloved fans and supports about the 5 puppies.